Good afternoon from Cambodia. Now I'm in Siem Reap downtown in a park located in the center of the downtown. So in front of me it has a lot of big tall trees, and so right up there on the top it has a lot of fruit bats or flying fox living there. They living here for many years. So when you come to Siem Reap, exploring the town, and you want to see them, you can come to this place. As you can hear their sounds, a lot of them, maybe thousands of them, are living here. They sleep hanging by their feet using a special lock tendon gripped in their claws. So they rest all day and wake up at night to find the food. About half an hour after the sundown, they fly away to find the food outside of Siem Reap downtown, especially at the mountain area where a lot of farmers growing the fruits. So they like soft fruits, sometimes flower nectar or pollen. They do like eating mangoes, figs, dates, bananas, lychee or lungans. They can fly 30 to 50 kilometers away from home tree where they live, so they just spend overnight for hunting the fruits, so they will come back before the sunrise to the place. The fruit bats, some of them can live up to more than 20 years, depend on the place where they live. It has the good environment or not. They live in the city or the mountain area. Under the tree it has a lot of flower shops where the local people buy for playing.
Cambodia 10000 កាឈូក 2005 2 ដុំ 5000
So for jasmine flowers it costs 10,000 reals, maybe around $2.50, and for a bunch of lotus flowers it costs 2,500 real local money, so it's around 60 cents US dollar. So here it's very nice place for local people coming, walking around, jogging around or running around, especially in the evening after work. So we can see a small shrine from here. It's the place, holy place where the local people praying. right here, one of the most beautiful statue, maybe from around end of 12th century, so it almost 1000 years. So for local people, known as Lop Ye Tape, means grandmother tapes. And please look at the roof, it's very nice design. And the royal residence is here with beautiful park. Cambodian national flags with Angkor Wat design, and here beautiful guardian statues. Look here, very nice elephant with holding the lotus flowers, and he's praying here for good luck. Beautiful lions here. So today still can see a lot of people are coming to pray, especially in Khmer New Year, mid of April. A lot of people from everywhere crowded in this place. So these two holy statues known as Pre Ong Chek and Pre Ong Chom. Look on the other side of the road. The royal residence was built from early of 1900s to serve for the royal families when they visiting the province. So stay under construction at the moment. 312 kilometers from here to capital city Phnom Penh. We just go straight forward. So right now, let's take a look at the king statues. Reigned from 1000 years ago, also during the Khmer Empire. It looks cloudy today. Seems it's going to rain. A lot of people coming to take exercise here, walking, running, jogging, or work out here for free. Wow, look at this master just sitting right on the top of the others and waiting for the good foods served from the crowd. Here is Siem Reap River, and on the other side there are a lot of hotels, restaurants, guest houses, and also business centers. Beautiful garden here in this park. There is one big French classic hotel, was built from 1929, but it still looks very good. So thank you for following me today on this small trip in Siem Reap downtown. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Like, share, comment. Very much appreciate. We'll see you in the next one.